Alright folks, welcome to the house that never sleeps and welcome to the show. Welcome back folks. We're going to work on this harmony today. And like you say, we try to get the pickup to work and the electronics and stuff. That wire that goes into that pickup I showed you on a video before is bad loose. I mean, and I think it's you know, it worked when I shoved it around, wiggled around up in there. I think it worked. Thing is, the pickup it's made together. It's riveted together. So I got to drill the rivets out to get it apart to get in the side of the wire back on. And then I don't know if I'll glue it. I don't have a rivet gun that small or rivets that small. So maybe I'll just glue the two pieces back together. Or solder them together if I can figure a way to do that. If I can do it. Got anything to solder to. Anyways, let's get into it. Get the pickup out. And get the drill charge in there. And we'll get right into this thing. Hold on. So we got grandsons here tonight. And several other people right now. So it's hard to tell what you might hear in the background. It's hard to tell. This pickup's got flat screws in it, not Phillips. You know what I mean? I guess that was more popular back then. I looked up some data on this guitar. I can't remember now what it said, but it was something like 50 something to 60 something they were made. I don't think I'm getting on that screw. And I can't remember if the owner ever did tell me what year this actually was or not, but I'm thinking he said something like the 60s. And I'd go a step further and say, you know, it's possible it's an early 60s guitar. I'm going to zoom you in here in a minute and show you what I'm talking about. Because obviously I can't take the pickup out. So I'll zoom you in. And where's the pickup at, man? There it is. You see? It's made together. There's the writing on it. What did I say it was? September 27th, 1965, I think, or 6. So I was wrong about it being in the early 60s, but see, it's got rivets right here and right here. I'm going to have to drill those out. And I'm waiting on the drill to charge right now. When it does, I'll drill them out, and then we can take these two pieces apart. And we'll be able to get inside there and see what's up with that wire. Like I say, it's loose, big time loose. And I don't know if I'll glue those back together or what. I guess these two screws on the outside would hold this against the guitar and hold it together that way. I assume it would. I don't know. We'll see what we get into. Bring you back when the drill gets charged up. Hold on. Alright, show you what we got set up here. There's the pickup. I had to turn the guitar up on its side and get this down on something flat. That board's got lacquer on it. It's peeling off where I was testing some crap. One time, I don't remember what I was doing, but I remember doing something, spraying lacquer on it, testing something. Anyways, got a really big drill for this little job. Got a 5/64 inch bit, and I think that's going to be too little. But we're going to find out here. Oh, I was going to zoom you in a little bit. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but... And this is aluminum, by the way. Wow, that drill's heavy. So, yeah, you don't have to worry about the thing sticking to magnets. The magnets in the pickup I'm talking about. I only need to drill the end of that off of each one of those. That might be enough. No, I'm going to have to get a bigger bit. Hold on. Alright, went from 5/64 to 7/64. That should Be big enough to knock the head off of that thing, the end of it. That's probably, yeah, I don't want to drill into the pickup itself. I'm going to see if I can pry that apart because I don't want to drill into that pickup. It's got a rivet that goes completely through the pickup and sticks out the other end of it. That should be just about loose enough to, well, maybe not. I thought it would be. Give him a little bit more. I think that'll do it. Yes sir, there we go. There's the rivets that go clear completely through the pickup. I want to save them. I might be able to use them to glue the thing back together. Well, it's nice and shiny inside. 1965, that's what that says. I wasn't sure really if it was a 65 or 66. It is a 65. Alright, let me bring you back. Well, just go ahead and take a pickup apart if I can. That all should come right apart now. And there it did. Wow. There's the wires. And the ground wire is broken. So that's what I was hoping. I was hoping that's what it would be. All we got to do is solder that ground back while we're in business. Let me get rid of the drill and part of the soldering iron. There's no way I'm going to be able to show you the soldering of this. But you can see there what I'm talking about. You can see the solder on it. See where the solder is melted and it's broke away. And I got to peel some of this gray wire back to expose more ground and solder it right back there where that chunk of solder is laying already. I can't show you because of the way I'm set up here. But I'll try, but if it don't work out, it won't be on the video. The soldering won't. There's no way I can get you in here to show you what's going on, but I'll show you the setup. Haven't soldered it yet. I had to peel some of that wire back, but if you look down in there, yeah, the camera's not going to focus. There you can see it. Got to solder that ground wire down. Ground it. And then I'll bring you back. Get on that puppy. Oh, it's just laying there. I need to heat this back plate up right here, see? There we go, I think. Alright, well, got the wire soldered on. I wrapped a little piece of tape around there to keep that wire from moving any. Let's see if it works. Here we go. Remember that amp, it takes a minute for the amp to come on. Yeah, it's on. Alright. A lot of noise. Now that's funny because that tone made the difference the other day. Now the volume is. I'm not hearing a thing, man, coming out of that amp. It's definitely hooked in. No, that pickup's... I'll tell you what, hold on, let's try something else. It's not working, but let me try something else anyhow. Well, that was a complete waste of time. I guess that camera is running. It fools me a lot of times. Wow, I guess that pickup is bad. I thought I heard it working the other day, but with that amp, that's a Yamaha Fender G-DEC G-Deck solid state amp. And it's got presets built into it. It makes quite a bit of noise on some of them. It's just not a good guitar, you know, to work on guitars with. Or pickups or things like that. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this pickup's dead. It's shot, man. I mean, you know, maybe what I was hearing, maybe I wasn't hearing it the other day. It was very faint, if I did. You can hear it on the video yourself. But anyways, cheers, folks. Thanks for watching. Next video, probably next one, we'll work on the bridge on this guitar, making it fit better. And I want to take some material away from it so you can adjust the action down lower. It can go lower than what it was. So that'll probably be the next video on this guitar. So cheers, thanks for watching, hope to see you then.